Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on applestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. Here you can find a list of the chapters. We are going to start with the chapter measurement. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 1 math. We're going to start with the chapter measurement. Let's just start with the lesson, that is customary length of customary unit of length word problem. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so let's just start with the first example. Let me just read the question. So just listen to me carefully, right? Okay, in Preston's great garden, the basil plant is 14 inches tall. The peppermint plant is 5 inches shorter than the basil plant. The sweet pea plant is 6 inches taller than the basil plant. How many inches tall is the sweet pea plant? Okay, so hold on. Okay, so here is the basil plant is 14 inches tall. The pepper plant is 5 inches shorter than the 5 inches shorter, and sweet pea plant is 6 inches taller than the basil. So basil plant is 14 inches and sweet pea is 6 inches more. So 16 plus 4 is 20. So here is the length of the sweet pea plant, that is 20 inches tall. The correct option is 20 inches. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. So basically you just have to read the question carefully and you can find the answer, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, Brooks robot is 10 feet long. Akash robot is 4 feet longer than the Brooks. How many feet long is Akash robot? Okay, so you have to find the how long is the length of Akash. Okay, so Brooks robot is 10 feet long. Akash robot is 4 feet longer, right? Longer it is. So you already have 10 and plus 4. That means the Akash robot is 14 inches, 14 feet long. The correct option is 14 feet, right? Hello everyone, can you hear me? The correct option is 14. Okay, in Relay's office, the green trash can is 17 inches tall. The paper recycling bin is 1 inch taller than the green trash can. The black garbage can is 2 inches shorter than the green trash can. So how many inches tall is the black garbage can? You have to find the length of the black garbage can, right? So okay, here is the black garbage can is 2 inches shorter than the green trash can. The green trash can is 17 inches long. So for the shorter, you have to subtract that would be 17. Take away 2. The correct option is 15. Right? That means the black trash can is 15 inches long. Right? Correct option is 15 inch. Josie's ice cream cone is 7 inches tall. Nina's ice cream cone is 7 inches taller than Josie's. How many inches tall is Nina's ice cream cone? So, which is the correct option? Okay, so how many inches tall is Nina's ice cream cone, right? So, Nina's ice cream cone is 7 inches taller than Josie's, right? Taller it is, so you need to add. The Josie's ice cream is 7 and Nina's ice cream is 7 inches taller. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. That means Nina's ice cream is 14 inches tall. Right? The correct option is 14. Okay, the next one is at a neighborhood bakery, maple bars are 6 inches long. Coconut bars are 1 inch longer than maple bar. How many inches long are coconut bars? So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 7 inches long. Very good. The correct option is 7. Okay, the next one is Harry's hammer is 11 inches long. Tommy's hammer is 2 inches shorter than Harry's, and Joseph's hammer is 3 inches longer than Harry's. So, which is the correct option? How many inches long is Tommy's hammer? You have to find the length of the Tommy's hammer, right? So, Tommy's hammer is 2 inches shorter than Harry. Shorter it is, so you need to subtract 11, take away 2 equals 9. The correct option is 9. That is 9 inch long. The correct option is 9. Jackson's car is 11 feet long. Lina's car is 2 feet longer than the Jackson's. How many feet long is Lina's car? So which is the correct option? The correct option is Yes, that is 13 inches long. The correct option is 13. 2 inches longer. So you need to add 2 to 11. So 11 plus 2 is 13. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself with today. 13 it is. 11 plus 2 is 13. Let me just move on to let me just move on to next lesson. Why you cannot hear me properly? Okay, the next lesson is which customary unit of weight is appropriate. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the first one is which is a better estimate for the weight of a food, that is 4 ounces and 4 pounds. Basically, they both have the units of weight, right? You have to see which is the correct option. The correct option is 4 ounces because pounds is a bigger unit and ounces is a smaller unit, right? So that is the ounces. So the correct option is 4 ounces, right? 16 pounds equal 1 ounces, right? So ounces is a smaller unit and pound is a bigger unit. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a basketball, that is 19 ounces and 19 pounds. So that is just the weight of the basketball, right? So 19 pounds is too much for the basketball. That would be 19 ounces. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is a better estimate for the weight of an umbrella? 1 pound, 1 ounce. Which is the correct option? That is 1 pound, right? 1 ounce is too little for the umbrella. That would be 1 pound. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a chicken sandwich? That is 7 ounces and 7 pounds. Which is the correct option? It's too hot there. We have to use the fan actually. That's why you can hear the noise. The correct option is 17 ounces because that's just a sandwich, right? And 17 pounds is too much for the sandwich. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a bicycle? 24 pounds or 24 ounces? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 24 pounds it is because that's a bicycle, right? So 24 ounces is too little for the bicycle. The correct option is 24 ounces. Sorry, 24 pounds because 24 ounces is too little for the bicycle. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a dining table? Which is the correct option? Dining table it is, right? So it must weigh in pounds. The correct option is 47 pounds. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a seagull? 17 ounces, 17 pounds. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 17 ounces. I think too little for the seagull. It must be 17 pounds. Oh, yes, that is 17 ounces. 17 pounds is too heavy for the seagull, right? The correct option is 17 ounces. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a heavy suitcase? Which is the correct option? That would be, yes, the second. Option number one is the correct option because that's a heavy suitcase, right? So that must mean pounds. The correct option is 43 pounds. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a baseball bat? Which is the correct option? Baseball bat, right? So I think that is 28 pounds, right? No, just baseball bat, that must be 28 ounces because 28 pounds is too much for the baseball bat. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a violin? 1 pound, 1 ounce. Which is the correct option? Violin, right? That must be 1 pound. 1 ounce is too little for the violin, right? Which is a better estimate for the weight of a tomato? 4 pounds, 4 ounces. correct option is that would be 4 pounds because that is just 4 ounces because that is just a tomato, right? So 4 pounds is too much for the tomato. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is compare and convert cups, pence and quarts. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, 1 pint equal how many cups? So basically these are the basic units, right? You can note them down and remember them so that you can understand them later, right? Okay, 1 pint equal 2 cups and 4 cups equal 1 quart. 1 pint equal 2 cups and 4 cups equal 1 quart. The next one is which is more, 8 cups or 1 quart? So in 1 quart you have 4 cups, right? So then obviously 8 cups is more than 4 cups. These are the basic units. You have to remember them or you can note them down on your notebook so that you can note them. You can use them later. That is 1 pint equal 2 cups and 1 quart equal 4 cups, right? Let's just start with the practice question. Who have a child? Okay, 1 pint equal how many cups? 1 pint equal 2 cups. The correct option is 2. 1 pint equal 2 cups. The correct option is 2. Which is more, 1 cup or 4 quart? They both are exactly equal, right? Because 1 cup equal 4 quarts. So neither they are equal. The correct option is they are equal. 4 cups equal how many quarts? You guys can please focus on the lesson we are on right now, right? And yes, I have a child. 4 cups equal 1 quart. The correct option is 1 quart. Which is more, 4 cups or 1 pint? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 cup is more, right? Because 1 pint equal 2 cups. So 4 cup is more than 1 pint. Okay, which is more, 8 cups or 1 pot? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 pot, because 1 pot equals 4 cups. The correct option is 1 pot. 1 pot equals 4 cups. Oh, yes, 1 pot equals 4 cups. So you have to see which is more. Yes, that's obviously 8 cups is more. The correct option is 8 cups. The correct option is 8 cups, right? 4 cups equal how many pots? The correct option is 4 cups equal 1 pot. The correct option is 1 pot. 2 cups equal how many pints? The correct option is 2 cups equal 1 pint. The correct option is 1. Which is more, 1 pot or 7 cups? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 cups is more, right? Because in 1 cup you have 1 pot, you have 4 cups, so 7 cups is more than 1 pot. Convert 2 cups equal how many pints? 2 cups equal 1 pint. The correct option is 1 pint. Okay, 4 cups equal how many pots? 4 cups equal 1 pot. The correct option is 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Today, let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is that is which metric unit of length is appropriate. So now we're going to learn the units of the length, right? So let's just start with the first example, which is a better estimate for the height of a computer screen, that is 25 centimeter or 25 meters. So centimeter is a smaller unit and meter is the bigger unit, right? So that is a computer screen, right? It must be measured in centimeters. The correct option is 25 centimeters, right? It is a better estimate for the length of a toothpick, right? So toothpick must be 6 centimeters because 6 meters is too much for a toothpick, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which is a better estimate for the length of a basketball court? 28 meters or 28 centimeters? Which is the correct option? That is basketball court, right? So it must be 28 meters. The correct option is 28 meters. Which is a better estimate for the height of a computer screen? 25 centimeters or 25 meters? Which is the correct option? Computer screen it is, so it must be 25 centimeter because 25 meter is too much for the computer screen. Which is a better estimate for the height of a toaster? 20 meters or 20 centimeters? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 20 centimeters. Option number 2 is the correct option because that is just a toaster. 20 meters is too much for the toaster. Which is a better estimate for the length of a teeter totter? 5 centimeter, 5 meter. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 centimeter. I think I don't know what is the teeter totter. That is 5 meters. Okay, sorry, not 5 centimeters. The next one is which is the better estimate for the length of a popsicle stick? 12 meters or 12 centimeters? Which is the correct option? The correct option is popsicle stick it is. That is just 12 centimeter. The correct option is 12 centimeter. The correct option is that is the length of a killer whale, right? That would be 7 meters because whale is the fish that has the longest length, right? Which is a better estimate for the length of a diving boot, 3 meters 3 centimeters, which is the correct option. The correct option is 3 meters, right? Because that is the diving, which is a better estimate for the length of a pencil, 18 meters or 18 centimeters, which is the correct option. Pencil it is, right? So that must be 18 centimeter. Which is a better estimate for the height of a 5-story building, 14 meters or 14 centimeters, which is the correct option. The correct option is 14 meters it is because that's a 5-story building, so it must be, the length must be in meters, right? The correct option is, so the next one is, which is a better estimate for the height of a blender, so which is the correct option. Blender, that might be 49 centimeter. The correct option is 49 centimeter. Which is a better estimate for the height of of a nail, 8 meter 8 centimeter, which is the correct option. The correct option is 8 centimeter. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. Chapter we were working on is measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are customary units of length word problems, which customary unit of weight is appropriate, and then compare and convert cups, pens, and boards. The last one is which metric unit of length is appropriate, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask questions if you have any. No questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session.